All right, here is the baritone part for Rainstorm. It doesn't start until page 5. I will be singing an octave above you. Sometimes that's going to sound really high in my voice, and that's okay. Just don't match me, okay? Here's where you start. Ready, and something stirring in my soul. Anxious moments in control, like the rumblings deep inside. Bathe the spirit I can find. Feel now, can rain. Feel now, can rain. And then we repeat back to page 5. Okay, second verse. Ready, and it's not over. Can't you hear distant thunder, distant fear? One more battle in the sky, raging, whirling, vapor fly. Feel now, can rain. Feel now, can you rain? And then it's finger snaps to the end.